Writing body paragraphs really is as easy as pie. Your first step in writing a good body paragraph is to develop a topic sentence. Strong paragraphs are typically about one main idea. And those topic sentences are going to have two parts. They're going to have the topic or the main subject that paragraph is about and a controlling idea. What do you want to say about that topic? For example, television, textbooks, and computer games are just a few technological mediums in which information is presented and widely accepted as a form of communication, even for education. So my topic in that topic sentence is textbooks, television, and computer games. Now, what I want to say about that is that those are just a few ways that are widely accepted forms of communication for education. Topic sentences are usually connected to the thesis in some way. Your second step is to provide information. Illustrate that point that you just made. After stating your topic sentence, you want to make sure that you demonstrate, clarify, or illustrate your point using facts, details, examples, information from reading, paraphrases and quotations, or any kind of statistics or percentage data from research studies that you find. In other words, you want to make sure that you elaborate on that point. You can connect that information with transitional phrases. Transitional phrases are going to help connect the ideas in your paragraph and help those ideas flow from one to the other. Your second step, and this is, I don't want to say it's the most important, but this is really where your development comes in. You want to give your paragraph meaning. In other words, you want to explain the information, why it's important. How do you interpret the information that you've just given? How does it relate to your overall point, your argument, or your thesis? Why is that information important, significant, or meaningful? In other words, so what? How does this information relate to the point that you're trying to make? Show the connection. Don't leave it up to your reader to draw those conclusions that you're trying to make. And finally, your last step for writing a good body paragraph is to conclude. Concluding sentence link one paragraph to the next and provide a way to ensure that your paragraph is unified. There are two crucial roles that concluding sentences help your body paragraphs. They summarize the points that you've made, but they also connect back to the thesis in some way. Connect back to that so what, that overall meaning that you're trying to make. So now that we've talked about the steps of writing a body paragraph, I want to show you an example of a pie paragraph. All right, in this pie paragraph, I have my topic sentence, and then I have all of this as my illustration information. And then finally, after I have my illustration or information, I have my explanation. I explain how my information connects back to my topic sentence, and then I have my concluding sentence about how these are examples of powerful learning tools in the academic context. So take a minute and read this pie paragraph, and you'll see that I have all of the elements that I need. Develop paragraphs like this are what's going to make your essay strong. So make sure that when you write your body paragraphs, you give me a slice of pie.